Hello, Digni community, all of us who want to dignify life on this planet amongst all. This is our DigniStretch, where we go with the four elements that are in every culture. Rising up and just let yourself feel how it feels to stretch. If there's anything your body is not doing easily, just adapt what you're doing and go ahead and feel gravity in the earth receive your weight. You can pulse, you can stretch your legs, your upper back, your head, your neck. And then go ahead and kind of give yourself a hug, narrowing and then widening into the horizontal, feeling the horizon. And do that again, stretching your back, but also feeling yourself hugging and giving, receiving and giving. One more time, receiving and giving. And then digging into the past, see what's there that we can learn from our ancestors and bring it forth. One more time, stretching up. This time, feel like the clouds and the rain is what is coming down into our aquifers and into our rivers, stretching across any way that feels good, widening into the bay and into the ocean, and again across the rivers and widening out into the oceans, into the bay behind us, gathering what we have from the past and taking it into the future. And so now with that, you can also go and stretch your leg back behind you and feel a nice stretch and look up and stretch the other leg behind you and feel length through your head, come into your center and feel the length and the width and the depth of your dignity. Thank you.